Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes C-Class diesel, finished in granite grey. It's got the front park distance control, alloy wheels in lovely condition, bodywork superb, rear park distance control, this is in absolutely stunning condition. Boot area's in good condition. Oh, it's got a reverse camera and the seats do fold back at the back seats do. Full leather interior with the white stitch piping, electric windows, electric mirrors, heated seats. The sport seats there. Got to check with Mercs. These conversed and it's absolutely in lovely condition. It's done 107,063 miles, but it does not look anywhere near that. Just start the car up. See, it's got satellite navigation, reverse camera, climate control, different driving modes, cruise control, full iDrive system, USB in there, multifunction steering wheel. At DJH, full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.